Okay, today is Monday the 28th of August, and I want to show the manure that I've been able to generate from all the wastes from the factory and the waste from rearing the animal rams and then the chicken at my end. And this is one of the ways I said we can use to generate money, because as it is now, this is organic manure that I can jolly well sell to those who want to do natural farming or organic farming. And it's very rich and nice. You can see how black it is. You can see the medium I use. I've been piling up tires to use in storing them. So now I've gotten some bags. This is another bag, and this is another bag. As you can see, I still have another set of tires here that I haven't even touched. Those ones are still composting, but I started this one in, I can't remember the month now, but it was last year. So this is it. Surprising. Thank you.
That my madam waiting they call Madam Fausat. Restless, tireless, always running from pillar to post, half of the time not for her own but for others. She's just the best.
Subscribe to the FausatSanni-Yusuf.com channel on YouTube via www.FausatSanni-Yusuf.com/YouTube. Follow her on Facebook via www.FausatSanni-Yusuf.com/Facebook.